Welcome back to Food Related. I'm Tom, and today we're going to be testing out our homemade hibachi, cooking some chicken yakitori. So we're fully sanded now. I've got 6 holes drilled. I think they're about 20mm diameter. The surface is a bit porous, but I suspect that's because we didn't include any sand in the mix, and I just was testing out how these metal kebab sticks would lie on the actual surface of it, which is quite good. Could use bamboo, obviously, that's more traditional, but then it's less to throw away. I can just reuse these. So next step, let's fire it up and give it a go. So we're just using normal cheap charcoal. This isn't the special Japanese, I think it's called Bishotan. The white oak, it's not that. This is just budget charcoal, so we're gonna see how that goes. We're only cooking a bit of chicken to test it out, so it's not a major if this doesn't last too long.
Oh, that's lots of smoke. I'm going to try to catch it.
So our coals are really nice and hot now, and we're just gonna come down here, Pippa, and pop our coals into our hibachi. So we're just gonna bunch these coals together. And they're really hot. And if we come over here, so I've just got some chicken thighs that I've just prepped up. Now don't judge me in the comments. All I'm going to do is just put some salt on. And this is all we're going to use. We're not going to use any curry, just because I want to keep this simple. And this is just to test out the hibachi, if anything. So simple as that, just a bit of salt. And then we're going to go straight onto the grill. Now, I might just move this chicken down a bit. Just because I don't want the chicken touching the perlite for now. And I was actually thinking about how I could make this even better. And I could just get some sheet metal, bend it over and down, and that would make sure that the chicken wouldn't come into contact with the perlite or the cement mixture. I think Pippa wants a try, so we'll just take that bit off for her. What do you think? What do you think?
Yum.
Yummy? Cool. Smelling very nice. Does it taste smoky?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And hot.
Okay, so first try. That's really good. Chicken's really smoky, and you can tell it's been kind of getting that smoke flavour from the fat that's dripping down on the coals. Very nice. Pretty happy with the results so far. Definitely a few changes we can make, but overall I'm pretty happy. So as the coals burn down after our first test, I'm pretty happy actually with how this turned out. There would be a few changes I would make if I made it again. I think the first would be, I would probably make the walls, these side wall, well, the whole kind of height, the depth, if you like, of the shape. I'd actually make it shallower so it's not so high. I didn't have a lot of charcoal, so I suspect that probably made my cooking take a bit longer. It took about 15 minutes to cook the chicken when really it should be about half that time. That could be because the charcoal was pretty budget. So other changes that I'd make, I'd actually consider just getting some sheet metal and bending it over. That might be like a little experiment that I can do quite easily. I've got a bender, so we can bend some metal and fit it on there. I'm not sure how much difference the holes made, but I did end up blowing the coals a little bit just to heat them up a bit more. Interested to hear your comments and feedback. Haven't been wearing my dodgy hat this time, so thanks for those comments. And yeah, if you're new, subscribe and smash that thumbs up button.